I really need a gimbal, you guys. We're supposed to hide. Oh my gosh, that one's so... Wait, what if they like take my camera? Dan, you're on guard with my camera.
I ruined it.
You know when I put the...
Hi, welcome to
That's so cute.
Hi. Hey.
Wow, wait, the sky looks really pretty.
You don't call me pretty boy, what the fuck?
Hi, pretty boy.
She always says
Pretty
you're
boy.
cute.
Yeah, I tell them all the time. Wait, hold on. This is perfect. Come here. You're gonna be my thumbnail. Wait, look straight. Wait, look a little down. Look up. Yeah. On a date with my girlfriend. It kind of looks like a beard. Like if you wear it down there, it's... Oh my gosh, I love that. How much for him? Yeah. $10.99.
Like lightning and stars? Oh. Isn't that cool? That's the first time I've ever seen that. It's the way the light's coming through the tree. Oh, that's sick.
It's hot. I'm currently reading The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue. Hopefully it's good because I stained the cover and now I can't resell this for like new condition because I stained it. So let's hope that I like this book. So far it's like a pretty slow start in my opinion. I'm just kind of like, okay, everyone forgot who she is. What's the point? Maybe I'm just being a little impatient, but yeah. I didn't think that my mid-20s that I would finally fall in love with my natural hair color. I used to hate it. I like it a lot. I'm like, oh, I like this. But something about getting my hair glazed to like a slightly darker color just makes me feel so polished and like ready to take on the world. So this is the current state of our pantry. So the way this house was designed is that this was actually kind of like meant for a desk or something, because there's like a shelf here and then there's a hole for like wires and there's even a plug-in. But yeah, we use this as mine and Lucas's pantry, and then there's this hallway pantry right over there that's for our housemate. There's stuff in here that our housemate also uses. So what I'm gonna do is clear everything out and put it on the table. Okay, so this is our dolphin pump. Dolphin pump, my old coworker helps, she's a real one for this because I didn't even know this thing existed. So these jugs that you can get refilled at water stores, you put this pump in it and then you pump the water out and it comes out of this little spigot. Usually it has like a little connector like this, but sometimes when you push the water too hard, the thing like flies off. So we just took it off and we just like let the water come out of there. I don't know if I've ever showed you this excuse me, part of my house, but this is her furniture that we use. This is everything that was in the closet, including this stuff down here. And for some reason, I started collecting tons and tons of bags from Trader Joe's Trips. I like that we can use our reusable bags again. I guess in a hypothetical situation, if this were my own place, like I would have some of this stuff not in the pantry. Excuse me, I need to wash my hands. Some of it I didn't take out because I want it to stay there. This yerba mate tea, I was given like the actual yerba mate pot that you drink it out of as a gift. I can't figure out how to do it without sucking the leaves in my mouth. Still working on that, but I have the yerba mate tea in several containers in this back corner. I have tomato paste that's expired, but part of me thinks that I can still use it. Peanuts, lentils, arrowroot flour, these like crisp things. I don't know. I bought them for a recipe and I haven't used them yet. They're like rice puffs. The usual cans that we do buy is coconut cream from Trader Joe's, refried beans from Costco, garbanzo beans from Trader Joe's. Their beans are a lot cheaper. Black beans, and then we have like a thing of kidney beans back there. So I have this basket here that I keep some of this in. There's a part of my pantry that I forgot to show you guys. Wow, I have a lot of pantry stuff. It kind of stresses me out because I feel like I haven't been cooking that much. So none of that is up there. Up there is mine, but all of this is mine. So we have like coconut flakes. This is maca powder, vanilla extract, my nut milk bag, teas, tahini. Empty, tons of empty jars. My friend Tammy gave me some stuff before she moved, like coconut flour, more like quinoa. She gave me hemp seeds, which I use these, tons and tons of hemp seeds. I use that to make hair gel, coconut sugar, chia seeds. We love chia seeds in this house. Cashews, I need to eat those up. I didn't even know there were cashews in there. She's actually she gave me these a couple months ago and I have yet to eat any of it. That's okay. I just kind of wanted to be real with you guys. My anxiety is a little high right now and I think it's just been so long since I've talked and sat in front of a camera. And so I think I'm just gonna organize this without talking and then I'll meet you at the very end to kind of discuss my methods and stuff. Here it is. It's the final. Does it even look different? Okay. Actually, I'm about to go to my parents' house in a little bit, so I want to see if my dad has another one of these in the backyard that I can put in the front so that it'll raise these ones up just a little bit. But my goal is to get like little stickers to put so I can just read what's on them. I've seen comments before like, what's the point of putting things in jars? It takes up room. I'm not really doing it. Okay, that's a lie. I'm kind of doing it for aesthetic reasons. You can like organize things better. Honestly, if you haven't tried it, just try it. You'll understand why people like putting stuff in jars. This is a jar that I've made sauerkraut in before, so I'm trying to keep it strictly as like a sauerkraut jar. These are all dish rags, so my go-to ones, this one's to dry dishes, and then this one's to dry your hands. I did get this at Target because it's like a thicker cotton, 100% cotton material, and I like it. So this is the hand towel and this is the dish towel. I am going to opt to be completely paper towel free when I get my own place. These are reusable paper towels called unpaper towels. I love these so much. This came, I think they're like $30, but look how many you get, and I haven't even gone through the bottom half of the stack yet. Like I just end up washing them with my towels or like my cleaning rags. This one's a little dusty, but I love these, and you can actually put them on a reusable roll and roll it. So when I have my own house, I will do that. I'm gonna put it on like a little paper towel roll. I do have an affiliate link with them if you guys want to check them out. I think this is the standard size. They have white too, but I figured they were gonna look stained. It's a small business too. I believe they make them by hand. I just love them so freaking much. So there's this empty space right here because our air fryer goes right there. This space is where we put our water jug. It just rests right here, the one that's in use with the dolphin pump, and we just pump the water out. We're completely out of water. This is Olive's medications and things that we're eventually going to donate to an animal shelter. We just haven't been able to yet. It's a very sad thing and it's emotional and we're just not ready yet. So it's been sitting there. This is, I got rid of a lot of those paper bags, but I kept a few because I like to donate things in paper bags rather than plastic. This will be for like multi-purpose packing up things, or like, I don't know, my compost once I get that going again. I really recommend, if you have a pantry set up like this, to utilize the vertical space. These crates, you can get them at IKEA. I've had them for so many years now. I think I got this one at Home Depot and I painted it, like I stained it. I've used them for so many different things, but I like them in this instance because now I can put something on top of it. Also get my baking soda at Costco in this large bag because it's cheaper that way. Yeah, so you can recycle this through TerraCycle. The thing about TerraCycle is, unless you're like a business, it's kind of expensive. Thanks for stopping in or tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hello. Hamburger butts in my video.